Hey my girlies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be not so much testing out, but I'm going to be doing my daughter's nails with this $10 gel brush on nail kit from Kiss. I picked this up. I've had this kit for a while now. I only did her nails once before with it, and they lasted a very long time, and out of the blue she just decided she wanted her nails done again. So instead of me paying money, we're gonna do this thing ourselves. So you're gonna need some brush on nail glue that didn't come in the kit, nail polish of any choice, super glue, nail clippers, a nail file. I also have a jewel picker. I don't really know what the real name of it is, but yeah. And anything that you would like to decorate your nails with. You're also going to need 100% acetone just to clean all the oils out of the nails. Okay, so this is the kit. And with this kit, you're not going to need a UV lamp of any type. You can just let the gel dry on its own. So first off, I'm going to start off by taking this e-file that I got from Dollar Tree, of course, for only $1. But and I'm just gonna clean up her cuticles and remove all the dead skin that's around her cuticles, and get her prep her nails so we can go ahead and get ready to put these nails on. Okay, so once that is done, we are now going to take the nail tips that was provided within the kit, and we're going to size them all to her fingers. Now, she did not want the French tips, but the last set that she had got before, she just got the regular, so to say, clear tips, and we just painted over top of those, and she no longer has any more that we could use. So we're going to head and use the French tips, and I'm just going to paint over top of those. We didn't have all the correct sizes, so what I ended up doing was having to file down some of the sizes that were a little too big to fit her fingers, which is okay if that's what you have to do. All nails are not gonna fit correctly towards your size of your nail beds because everybody's nail beds aren't the same. So it's okay if you have to file down some. It's not gonna make or break the look. Next, you want to take 100% acetone nail polish remover, and you want to go ahead and wipe the nail beds off to remove any excess oil that's in the nails, because that will cause the nails not to last long and will cause lifting. So go ahead and just wipe off all the nails. Once that is completely dry, you want to go ahead and take some brush on nail glue, and you want to go ahead and brush that onto the nail tips. You don't have to place a lot on there. It only takes a little bit to make these things stick. So you don't have to put globs and have glue dripping everywhere. Just enough to coat the tip of the nail tip, and then just press it on. Now, what I did notice is that on her pointer finger, that the sides weren't sticking very well. I'm not sure as to why it didn't. So what I have now done ever since I have placed that nail on is you want to place it on from the center, holding the tip. Place it on from the center, and then once you that is dry, or you think it's like starting to hold, pinch the sides to make sure that it's sticking down also. You don't want the sides to be lifting up, because then you just wasted all the time applying the nail just for it to pop right back off. Now that that is all complete, there is a bottle that comes within the kit called nail brush cleaner. You want to take that and run that along the seams of the nail tips, where the nail tips and the natural nail meets. That will clean up the harsh line that's in between the nail tip and the natural nail. If there is still a harsh line of demarcation once you have applied the brush cleaner, go ahead and take the nail file and just go ahead and lightly file that line of demarcation to clean that up. Now you want to go ahead and take the tabs that are connected to the nails, and you want to bend them back and forth, not twist from side to side. That will cause the nail to pop off or become very ugly. Now within the nail kit, you are to receive three different type of bottles. All have a different purpose. One will be the brush on nail glue, one will be the activator, and the other one will be the brush cleaner. Now you are supposed to place those in order from A, B, and C, being A, nail glue, B, activator, and C, brush cleaner. With B, you do not receive a brush. You are to use the brush that comes in C to place to dip that inside of B. Now, once you have all your bottles set up correctly, you will begin the application process. That you will take the nail glue first, and you will brush that over the entire nail as if you were to place on nail polish. And then after that is done, you want to take the brush from bottle C, and you want to dip that inside bottle B, which is the activator, and then you want to also apply that to the nail as if you are placing on nail polish. Now, once you have applied the activator, you want to make sure you are wiping it off completely, and then you want to stick the brush back inside of the brush cleaner bottle. That is to ensure that the bristles on the brush are not becoming stuck together, so you will no longer be able to use it. You want to complete that process twice, meaning 2 coats on both hands. That way you will ensure that you are giving a nice good gel layer over top of your tips. Sometimes you may have to apply 3 coats, but for this set I only applied 2 coats. Now that both coats are dry, I'm going to take this alcohol and I'm going to clean up the sticky layer that's over top of the nails with the alcohol to remove some of that. Now this step right here, I should have did this once I took off of the little tabs that were attached to the nail tips, because now I am filing into the gel coat that I placed over the tips, and I did this all backwards. So make sure you are filing the tips, the little edges that were connected to the tabs, off of the tips before you apply any of the gel coats. Next, we are on to the polish coats. Now this is optional. You don't have to do this. You can leave them as the French tips and be on your way. It looks very cute that way. But she wanted some color added to her nail, so that's what we are doing now. I will be using the LA Girls gel nail polish in the color Charmy'z. She only wanted her thumbnail this color. She was just, I don't know, she was all over the place with this. And then I will be using Sinful Colors in the color Sail La Vie. She wanted that placed on 3 of her other fingers, and she wanted to leave one nail a French tip. Now I did end up doing 2 coats of all of the colors over top of the nails because you were still able to see some of the French tip through it. Now we will be applying some different type of jewels, gems, rhinestones, whatever you want to call them, to her nails. Now I picked up all of these from my local beauty supply store. They were $2 each. I will be applying these with some super glue. Now this wasn't the best option to glue these down with because they didn't last. If y'all have any other options on what I can use, please leave that in the comment section down below. Now there was no method to the madness on how I was placing these on. It was just a random, little thought. I really don't know how to do gem placements on nails. That's something I need to learn, or better. But that's something that I'm always willing to learn, and I will continue to keep practicing so that they come out even better next time. The rhinestone picker that I am using came from Shein. I think it only cost $1. I'll be sure to leave that in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And just like that, we're done. I think these nails came out so cute. I mean, I'm a beginner and all, so I really don't know what I'm doing, but I think I did a very nice job with this Kiss kit. I recommend this kit for everybody who wants some very quick, easy nails that they are able to do without needing too many other products such as a UV lamp, and you will be able to have a full set of nails within a short amount of time without having to spend a whole lot of money. Once again, this kit only cost me $10. I believe I picked this up from my local Walgreens. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that big thumbs up button as well as the subscribe button. And as always, may God continue to bless and keep you. Bye.